Could the Valley handle an entire city population on top of what we already have?
It's a prospect that could become a reality if Amazon decides to name Phoenix its home for its brand new mega headquarters.
Team 12's Bram Resnick joins us live from the Alert Center to tell us more. Bram?
Yeah, it's kind of like shopping for up to 50,000 jobs with a one-click. Most major metro areas in the country will be competing for Amazon's planned HQ2, its second headquarters, outside Seattle. We verified whether Phoenix has what Amazon is shopping for.
Arizona's already a prime location for Amazon.com.
This is all controlled chaos, I promise.
We're one of the web superstore's top shipping hubs. Now the Valley's making a pitch to be Amazon's home away from home.
We might have to start with going to the state to see if we can get the legislature to change the name to Phoenix, Arizona.
Economic Development Chief Chris Camacho is putting together the offer from the Valley. Up to 50,000 jobs long-term could be available, with annual paychecks averaging $100,000.
So when you're talking 50,000 employees, you're actually adding a new city to Metro Phoenix.
Amazon has posted its shopping list for the new site, dubbed HQ2. Here's what the Valley might deliver.
We'll have not only the first phase real estate, but even broader than that.
Amazon wants the equivalent of a shopping mall's worth of space. When it comes to land, we've got plenty of that. An international airport is a plus. Sky Harbor does have some international flights, but it's no LAX or Chicago. The Valley's light rail and buses could satisfy Amazon's desire for public transit outside its front door. Then there's the workforce. Typical headquarters jobs plus large numbers of software engineers.
I haven't had a company in the last 10 years that has moved here and not been overwhelmingly excited about the talent and availability of labor in this marketplace.
But one recent ranking of tech talent rated Phoenix 17th in the country and noted there's a brain drain here. Last on the shopping list, incentives. They could be the decider for Amazon.
Our state will not be the state that leads the nation in the best incentive package.
That might not be a deal breaker, but it doesn't help the Valley. We verified that Phoenix is in the mix for Amazon's new headquarters, but so are at least a dozen or more other cities.
Amazon has given cities 1 month to respond, then presumably the conversations begin on the more attractive offers. Bram Resnick, 12 News.